Assalamu alaikum and happy Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. Welcome back to my channel Aryan Art Academy. My name is Aryan Alam Farhan and today I am going to show you guys 3D art of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It is very easy and simple to draw. So if you are new in my channel, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if you like my video, give the thumbs up, and if you don't like my video, you can give the dislike button. And you can also comment in my video how was my video and what you like in my video. So let's go and watch the video.